Hello, my name's Judy Byrne, and I'd like to tell you the answer to one of the questions that more people ask me than almost anything else about EFT. And it's this. People ask me, how do I know the right words? What are the right words to use? And there are a few things about that I'd like to tell you. One of them is that there are no right words. The words aren't magic, they're not a mantra, they're not a magic formula. And the other thing is that the only words to use are your own words. They're the words that describe what you're feeling. So only you know what they are, and their point is not that they're going to work magically. It is that they are going to focus your attention on what you're dealing with. That's all the words are for, just to get you focused on what it is that you want to deal with. So before you even think about the words, start with getting the intensity of the feeling. On a scale of 1 to 10, how strongly do you feel that? You need that because you're going to recalibrate a little bit further down the line and change the words according to that. Then describe what you're feeling, and describe it as a feeling, not as what your head tells you it is. So if you want to tap on something that you believe to be anxiety, what do you feel in your body when you feel anxious? That's the thing that you need to tap on. Is it like a butterfly feeling in your chest, or is it a heavy feeling in your gut? That's what you're looking for. And if you want to call it anxiety as well, that's fine, but it's really useful to describe and focus on what it is that you're actually feeling. And describe it to yourself as you would in the privacy of your own head. Don't clean it up. Don't say, I have this horrendous pain, if what you mean is I've got this fucking awful pain. Say it. That's what your unconscious mind will recognize. If you give a cleaned up version of it, your unconscious mind doesn't know what you're talking about. So when you've done a couple of rounds with the words that you decide, describe it, keeping your attention on what it is that you've described, then you stop, go inside, calibrate, and then for the next round you change the words. So you change them to reflect what you're now feeling. It may be that you change them completely because the sensation has changed, or it may be that you change it to, even though I still have some of this, and your reminder phrase at that point might be remaining. So just by calibrating, you'll be checking what's happening, but you'll also be giving yourself a new version of the words to work with. And it really is as simple as that. Just the words that describe it to you, and in the words that you would honestly use to yourself. And I hope you'll find that helps.